Guys, who does it the best? And the answer always, when they do it, they always do it the best, no matter what they're doing. And that's Amazon. Amazon Basics makes this non-stick cookware pan set. And dude, these are really nice. They do the trick. They've got nice handles on the top, so you don't even need to grab uh, a mitten or whatever for your or gloves. You can just literally pull that right off. It's going to stay cool because they have a nice coating on the top there. But these are really nice pans, a lot of different sizes, whether you want to saute or you want to steam. There's something for everybody. You can cook a stew in there or a soup. These are just really nice. They're very basic, just like Amazon says. But the reason they're the best is because Amazon, when they decide to get into pans, they're like, you know what? This is going to be the best value pan set we can imagine. And so far, that's what I think it is. Get it.